Nangita mo mo condo unit guys, nga very relaxing og resort type. Ngayon nag-abri ninyo sa inyong kuan unit guys, mo on yung makita nga vibes guys. Wow. Dito magpadugay-dugay na ata sa Rakul Aruga guys dito sa Mactan, Lapu-Lapu. O ganang mo maminaw about this. Di na tabag dugay-dugay, arats na.
Welcome to Aruga Resort and Residences Mactan. Right when we enter, of course, we're gonna be greeted by the lobby. Lobby is 24/7, and this one's our library lounge. So, if your residents or the unit owners, they don't want to bring their their guests up to their units, they can entertain them here. So you can entertain your guests here, or if you want more private, we have this one. So here, oops, sorry.
Nice.
Yes. So if you want a more private place to entertain your guests, then you can definitely come here. This one's first come, first serve. First come, first serve basis. So if you want to sit on the table, sit on the couch, pwede. After the library lounge, so we have, I will start here na lang. So this one's the dining room. We have dining room 1 and 2 because you have an option if you want to close this part out. So this one can entertain up to mga 15 to 25 people. So if you have gatherings, you can hire a chef. This one can be opened. This one, you can hire a chef so they can cook here or the other side. If you want lang like small lang siya na area, then we can close the other half. And then you can just stay in this place or we can open it all together. Same with right now. So this one's dining room 1. The other side is dining room 2. And then we have the game room here. So welcome to the game room. There's a pool table. We have tables here also. If you play mahjong, pwede. Yes. So this one's also first come, first serve basis. Unit owners can come here anytime, free of charge.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
The dining rooms though, they have a minimal fee. So just a minimal fee lang to book the room. And then we have a studio here. So this one's a dance studio, yoga, Pilates, any exercise, free of charge. Just have to book it. This one's the kids' room. But right now, it's temporarily our office. Yes.
I see.
And if we go straight here, you have your gym. The gym's really good. Okay, you have a good view of the villas. And you can also see a little bit of the sea. So here is the gym. We also have wellness area here. So we have the female wellness area. It's not entirely done, but you have your sauna, you have a jacuzzi, and then you have a room also. So if you want to hire a masseuse, magpahilot ka, pwede kayo here. It's free of charge also. And then the other side is, of course, the male wellness area.
Made.
Yes. So same yun siya. Everything has its own pool and jacuzzi. So the pool and then the jacuzzi and sauna. And then, if we go down just one floor down, the lower ground floor, we can see the function hall. Here. So our function hall, it can accommodate up to 100 people. And then this one also, you have to book it in advance. So there's also going to be a minimal fee. So here. Let's see if we can open it. Here you go. So this for here, again, it can accommodate up to 100 people. We can open this all the way outside. Para your guests, they have a good view of the pool also. Nice. Yes. Pero pwede sa di siya ma-half. So in case gamay lang imuhang guest, then pwede na to siya ma-half.
Wow. Nice.
Yes.
Super. Wow.
Okay, so naano man gyud ta diri, might as well tan-aw na lang gyud po ta sa dagat. Yes. We can pass through here also. Yes. Unit owners, they can book the villa, so they can book villa use, and then free of charge na siya free of charge also ang if mag-boating.
Mm.
So you just have to let us know and then we'll book the boat for you.
Mm.
So right now, naapod to yung nag-boating. They left 9 a.m. They should be back siguro mga 11
Mm, okay.
or 12. So libre ra gyud na with Rockwell.
Mm.
Here. So kita gyud nimo tanan.
Wow.
Yes. The view. Ang first tower. Nalakaw sa ta going back dito para makita ninyo ang villas gyud. Then here, if moagi ta here, this is going na to the beach. And again, this is the longest beachfront in Cebu. So Aruga holds the longest beachfront, 270 meters.
Mm.
Shangri-La used to hold the record at 170.
Mm.
Sorry, 190 meters. Now it's Aruga, 270. So pwede yun mo siya malakaw from here all the way to the end.
Mm. Perfect ang mga buyers ninyo.
Yes! Ha? Last year, ma'am. Na-complete yun siya last year. Yes! Mawala yun imong stress diri, ma'am. Yes.
Perfect.
See, and a lot of greeneries, flowers.
True.
Nindot yun kayo, iniglakaw-lakaw nimo.
Pwede bagay ka din, Miss Lapu-Lapu. Pwede mo ma-affirm na rin.
Yes.
Hmm.
Nakita na ninyo ang villas. Nya ang mga villa ni Aruga, it has its own pool gyud.
Mm.
Nya imagine walking to this view every day.
True. Pawa stress.
Pawala sa stress. Mura ka og nagbakasyon every day.
Yes, true.
So kani, these are all villas. For Aruga, we have a total of 22 villas, all sold out within a year.
Mm, okay.
Yes. Gwapo gyud kaayo. See, mag-walking ka diri.
Yes.
Or maski magtambay ka sa balcony.
Mm.
Nya mo ni imong view. Nandiri na itukod ang second tower.
Ah, okay.
Mm. Welcome, welcome.
Oh, maraming sa ha.
Okay.
Kaya pa kayo na rin.
Manis Miss Lapu-Lapu.
Wow.
Paldo na ba?
Nabintan mo na yung sakit ng ibang bansa.
Yes.
Ako yung aray mo pumayo na rin. Oo,
Yes. We can
May view,
check
guys.
the actual unit po natay bare nga unit.
Mm, sige.
So mo na yun exactly ang makuha ni client.
Okay.
So this is 3R. This is still available ha for those interested. This one's available as is, ready to move in anytime.
Mm,
Yes.
nice.
So right when you enter, as you can see, all your kitchen appliances are included na gyud. So you have Smeg for your refrigerator, you have Smeg for your range hood, cooktop and oven. It's all included, part of the deliverable. You have your cabinetries, your countertops, of course, your refrigerator, apil na gyud na siya, aircon, na kay duha, one centralized in the living area, and then one in your bedroom.
Okay.
So yes, so this is the bedroom for your for a one bedroom. And then your cabinets. Then of course, your toilet and bath. So as is na gyud, everything is as is. So what you're seeing now is what you're getting upon turnover. Well, in this case, since humana naman gyud ni, so move in ready anytime.
How much, ma'am?
This one is 30 million.
30 million.
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
You just need to make the 10% down payment, pwede na mo move in si client.
Na siya view dito guys. Nice kayo.
Yes.
Good morning, mata ninyo, na view. Nice.
Yes.
Super nice.
And then, mo check to sa balcony, nindot sa kaayo.
Mm.
Third floor niha, pero you really have a good view of the sea.
Yes.
Yes.
Third floor. Pakita na yun.
So na siya view dito guys. So magawas mo mag-coffee early in the morning. So
Yes.
perfect yan siya guys. Oh.
Yes.
Diba? Super nice guys.
Dagat na agad. So for a 2-bedroom, of course, you have a powder room here. Sorry, this one, powder room, and then you also have a utility room here. So this one's the utility room. You can convert this into a pantry also if you like. But for right now, it's converted to a utility area or a maid's quarter. And then the good thing with a 2-bedroom, your bathroom or the master's bedroom has a bathtub.
Mm.
Yes. This one starts at, this one's 42 million.
42
Two.
million.
Yes.
Oh.
So we only have one 2-bedroom left. It's on the 14th floor.
Mm.
So duha ka 1-bedroom, isa ka 2-bedroom. Mao na lang yun na ang available. Yes.
Nice guy. 42 million.
And then of course your second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. It also has its own ensuite bathroom. Pero only ang master's ang na ay tub.
Tako ganyan si guys.
Nice. Naapalan ko'y kwarta. Mangita na dyan ko ani. Para dyan makakuha ko.
Down. 10% get on it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Down.
After 10% down, pwede na mo move in. Yes. Pero within the period na dili pa complete ang payment, like wala pa ta nag 80%, you can move in right away, pero no major renovation since it's not fully paid yet. And di pa po siya pwede paabangan. But once it's complete na, like naka-loan na ka sa bank, then pwede na.
Pwede na.
Anything you want to do, pwede. Yes.
Cash talaga siya, ma'am. Yes. Sa cash talaga siya. May discount siya. No?
For cash discount, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This one is a 1-bedroom. So this is our showroom also for a 1-bed.
One bedroom.
Yes. It has a different view though. So this one has a view of Magellan. When we started selling Aruga, if you sell Magellan Bay versus beachfront, na actually at least 10 million difference. So when you say Magellan Bay, ang view nimo of course is the bay. So if ari ka sa imuhang balcony, when you open your balcony, ari pa ka ka-view diri. So ang bay gyud imong makita.
Ah, I
Si
see.
Magellan Bay.
I see.
Mo gyud imong view. So if imo siyang i-compare to the beachfront, that's why mo difference siya 10 million. Kaya of course you're paying premium for your view, 'di ba? But you still get a view of course of the sea, which is still really good.
Kita ninyo ang view.
Mausad no.
Nice tayo. At saka lang na ako pang diya.
Ay, okay ako mahalin. One.
This one's sold already. Wala na tayong Magellan Bay, pero ang price difference niya is 10 million. So if 30 million si beachfront, 20 million si Magellan Bay.
1 bedroom siya.
1 bedroom. Yes.
Okay lang. Makita pa rin naman.
Yes.
Mas maganda yun sa beach talaga.
Same deliverable, same yun siya tanan. You get your kitchen appliances, aircon, it's really all included. Ang view lang yun niya ang mo difference. Yes.
Wala ko sa release. Yan siya kada ko. Yan siya ka nice.
You can move in na. So you just really need to reserve 100K down payment monthly. But you mag-down payment ka ng 2M, you can live in it.
Kahit
right away.
parentahan natin ba? No?
Down.
Yeah.
Kahit
Ganda.
kahit nung ganun pa.
Parentahan mo
Ganda.
ng, let's say, kasi yung asking ni Rockwell for rent, it's 1,500 per square meters. So for a 67 square meter na 1 bedroom, that's at least 100,000 a month. So okay na.
Ganda.
You're still earning. So if ayaw mong tumira dito, pwede mo rentahan.
Ay, nice.
Either way, very good
Kaya naman
investment.
ni Ma'am.
This is a 3BR.
A 3-bedroom, yes.
Okay, wow. Dota eh.
Yes.
God.
And ang view,
Oh
grabe.
my God, kanindot.
Yes. 3-bedroom. Open na to.
Ah,
Para you can see. There you
wow.
go.
Amazing, guys.
Yeah.
Nindot kayo, guys.
Look at that view.
Oh, tanaw ang view, guys. Oh. Dota
View
paluparan nagkuha
palandaan.
ni.
Halin na ka.
Yes, correct.
Ngayon mo check ka diri. O kita ni mo ang pool.
Pero ito ma'am, sold na ito ma'am.
This one sold na.
Ang ganda, promise.
We still have a lot of available 3BR.
No.
Ah, wala na.
Wala na for Tower 1. Tower 2 na pa
Tower 2. Okay. Sige. Ka nice. BE ba na residences? No.
That's Sheraton.
Sheraton. Okay. Nice. Ang pool dito, guys.
Nasa ibang bansa.
Yes. And ang master's bedroom sa gwapo sa gayo view.
Very big, guys.
Yes. So this ones are this is the second bedroom and a third bedroom na sa side. Each bedrooms niya gwapo gid kay kag view. If naa ka diri kita nimo ang villas.
Ay, pagka-
And puhon ang second tower.
Perfect kayo.
Perfect gyud.
Grabe.
Kita gyud nimo tanan diri.
Sus, kanindot. Di pa rin master's bedroom, di pa rin
Dili pa ni ang masters.
Ah.
Pero each bathroom diri na siya ensuite. Sorry, each bedroom na ensuite bathroom. Then diri nga side ang masters.
I see.
Yes. And mo na ni ang master's bedroom. So master's bedroom also na gihapon siya bathtub. Na po siya walk-in closet. Here's your bathtub niya. Of course, ang pinakagwapo nga view.
Wow. So when they buy this, as is na nga na TV ta na?
No.
Wala pa siya.
Wala. So katong atong gi-check ganina, mo gito siya
Mao
ang
to
as
siya.
is. Yes. Kitchen appliances, aircon, cabinetries,
And
tanan.
washing machine.
Yes, washer dryer, correct.
Okay. Nice. Yes.
Yes.
Maghayang-hayang dire.
Oh, inig.
Pwede ka.
Inig takilid mo side view. Inig ana si mo to bang I love you. Hey! Gay! Ayaw ko bata magkukul.
This one, if Arin magstorya ta og rate sa Tower 2, it starts at 70 million.
70? 17?
Yes. 70.
70, okay. It's pre-selling na siya?
Pre-selling na na
Pre-selling
price.
siya. Okay.
70 million Tower 2, 3 bedroom. Yes.
So guys, sa pagbabutana guys, ganahan kay mo diri sa atong unit guys. Ay na mo pagdugay-dugay guys. Please comment below if na mo may inquiries and please don't forget to like and follow all our social media accounts. Arat na.